Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's that time of month again and I'm running a little bit late with it. It is a monthly subscription boxes, and you guys know how much I love my monthly subscription boxes, and I know how much you guys love the boxes as well. So let's get into it, and yeah. So if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so first up we're going to go in with Glossy Box. It feels quite heavy this month. So this month's theme is Dreaming of Paradise. So a summer skin sorted, fresh and feminine must have. 5 beauty products that will kickstart your summer. Win a whole summer wardrobe thanks to I Saw It First. And then you've got loads of little offers down there, a little sneak peek of July. So what is in this month? I haven't been cheating or anything like that, so I don't know what's in the box. But okay then, what do we have? So first up we have body English leaf, shall I say, body oil. It's quite a nice smell. And this is the full size and is retailing at £23. Containing almond oil and vitamin E, this nourishing body oil leaves skin feeling soft and scented, reminiscent of a freshly cut meadow grass, which it has actually. This oil is fragranced with English leaf, a blend of soft citruses, coriander leaves, basil, mint and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. And it does actually smell like a freshly cut grass. Okay, then next up we have Garnier Micellar Water. I absolutely love, and my skin is loving it, the Rose Micellar Water. It is incredible. It's by far the best one and I am obsessed with it. So I use that day and night. So I start off by cleansing my face with the micellar water, and then I go in with my cleanser and then my oils and my creams and everything like that. And it's an effective yet gentle way of removing makeup and cleansing skin in one easy step. This is £1.99, so it's a nice little travel size. It's 125ml, so it's really nice to have in your bag, or you know, if you're going to stay away for a weekend or something like that, it's nice to have that size because then you haven't got your big bottle. Next up we have some dry shampoo. What the hell's shampoo? We have some dry shampoo in Blush Flirty Floral. That's got a nice smell to it. Nice and handy. Could do with a bit of that actually. My hair is really bad. I could do with a wash. And that is retailing at, this is the deluxe mini size and it's worth £1.60. Then next up we have a chocolate bar. It's like I'm prone to have chocolate. That's an extra gift by the looks of it, so thank you very much for that. Then next up we have a Nip and Fab Vitamin C Scrub Fix, exfoliant vitamin C scrub to polish and illuminate the skin surface. Oh, it's all sealed up so I can't smell it. And this is retailing at £12.95. I do love the packaging, it's so cool. Then we have from the Beauty Crop, a Wee Sherry lip oil. What is it with cherry? If Penny sees this, she's going to go mad. She hates cherry. I got her a shampoo and it's cherry scented, and yeah, it didn't go down too well. That smells and tastes really nice. So this is retailing at £13 for gorgeous kissable lips. Look no further. This non-sticky moisturiser lip treatment isn't sticky at all. With glorious enhance your pal's natural colour whilst making your lips super smooth. Okay, so that is what's in this month's Glossy Box, and like I said, thank you for the extra treat. Next up we have the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I love the box, it's really cool. I like the theme for it this month. It's our eco month, so I was going to say very eco-friendly looking. Obviously you've got the Edit magazine as you do, and then it tells you what's inside. Yes, we've got some rituals. Ooh, I love that brand. I was in, where did I go last Saturday? I went to Bicester Village for the first time ever last Saturday, and there was a rituals there, but you had to queue and scan codes and stuff like that to get into the shops. And like, I was like, oh, I'll go back on the way back, and then I literally didn't get a chance to go in, so I definitely want to go back. But there was a rituals there and I was dying to go in and see. Okay, so first up we have a gentle facial buffer from the So Eco brand. It's an exfoliating pad from award-winning environmental responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types. This pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding the absorption of skin products. Oh, lost it. So you dampen it with warm water, squeeze your favourite body wash onto the pad, gently rub all over your body in circular motions before rinsing with thing. I might give that a go in the shower later. And next up we have a Balance Me product. I do love this brand, it's such a nice brand. It's a pre and probiotic cleansing milk. It's a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive and pre and probiotic complex, designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier whilst also gently exfoliating. It's got salicylic acid and willow bark in there, so that is what that is there. Then we have a Philip Kingsley Finishing Touch hair product. It's a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect and help style the hair, packed in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable, manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. It's got vitamin B5, vitamin A and citric acid, so that is what that looks like. Then we have a Dr. Lip Tint 100% natural, which is here, goes with my nails. It's a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour, with a 100% natural ingredient list for a softer pout. Next up we have the ESPA 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser, and it's a deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective kind 2 ingredients to replenish, protect and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensively moisturise for the eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. I could do with that, honestly. I'm having some really bad sleeps lately. I think it's so hot and stuffy. Windows are open as well, but it's just not sleeping properly. Then next, well, the last but not least is the Rituals product, which you know I love this brand, and it's a mild body scrub. It's Sacred Lotus and Jujube. That smells so nice. It's got Sacred Lotus, Jujube, shea butter and coconut oil. An exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. So I reckon if you were to use this with that, your skin will come out nice and soft, wouldn't it? And that is all in Look Fantastic this month. So thank you very much, Look Fantastic. Next up we have Look Incredible. So this is one of the higher end brand boxes, and let's see what's inside. I feel very light in here. Okay, so this is the June Deluxe edition, and we have a brand of the month is a Becca Sunlit bronzer, which I am all for this. Oh wow. So here is the Becca bronzer, and it's in Sunlit. It's called, oh, so it's Becca, sorry, Sunrise Waves it's called. So here is the bronzer. That looks absolutely beautiful. It's a beach inspired bronzer that imparts healthy looking warmth so that skin looks sun-kissed, never orange. With a shade for every skin tone, this natural bronzer features Becca's iconic shimmering skin perfector, formulas that custom made with subtle shimmer, and its blend pigments with its liquid to deliver its unparalleled creamy feel. Oh yeah, it's nice and creamy. Next up we have a Fenty Beauty Matchstick, and this is in the shade Champagne Heist, and this is retailing at £21. The Becca, I don't know if I said that's retailing at £27. So yeah, here is, oh, that's a nice shade. Wow, look at that. That's absolutely stunning. So meet the magnetised longwear makeup sticks that come together in 2 lights as air finishes and the shade lineup to satisfy your very need. Matchstick's Shimmer Skin Sticks lets you highlight, blush and enhance with its stick rainbow lineup. So this is a shimmer skin stick. So this is for the highlighting and that, so we love that one. Okay, next up we have a Lancome Rouge, and this is in the shade Mars, 1112 Mars, and this is retailing at £27 as well. Look at the packaging in that. How beautiful is this lipstick? I am obsessed with lipsticks at the minute. Oh wow. So you just pop it up. Wow. Okay, so are you ready? Pop it down and it comes up. Look at that lipstick. How gorgeous is that? Wow. Oh, I want to be on holiday. That is stunning, absolutely stunning. Let your lips speak out who you really are with the La Beau Rouge. Our cult lipstick reinvents itself, more precious and colourful than ever. From our timeless iconic colours to new vibrant shades, our range has it all. Perfect nudes, intense reds, luminous pinks, an incredible widespread palette of colours and finishes to explore and adapt. And then the last product we have in here is a probiotic by Doctor's Formula. It's a 12-hour day protection moisturiser, and this is actually retailing at £89. Wow. Okay, so here it is. This is what it looks like, and it's Doctor's Formula probiotic 12-hour day protection moisturiser. 50ml moisturisers are made up of large molecules, then serums therefore should always be used afterwards. The 12-hour day protection moisturiser provides a physical barrier to protect the skin from environmental irritants and should be used to help block in serums, anti-aging actives and nutrients. So this box is worth over £164. Next up we have Bigo, and something smells amazing in here because I could just smell it when I took it out of the packaging. I don't know what's inside, but now that I've seen it, now it makes sense what it is. Oh, first up we have a Beauty Mellows bath bomb. So that is what I could smell. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And yes, Penny's gonna love this. Okay, so next up we have a Illamasqua Antimatter lipstick in the shade Solar. Ooh, so that's a nice shade from Illamasqua, like that. Well, that's a really nice colour. So that's what that shade looks like. That's stunning, that is. Then we have a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Liner in the shade Brown Sugar. Oh, that's a nice style pencil. So, oh, that just glides on. That's gorgeous. Then we have we've got a Kat Von D mascara in the shade Go Big or Go Home. God, this is massive. I'm sure I've got this, but I've had this before in one of the boxes. So that is the mascara. This tube is massive. So that's what that looks like.
Just need this.
Okay. And then the last product we have is a Skin Research Activated EGF Eye Contour Cream. Never heard of this before, but that's what that looks like. And that is what's inside Bigo Beauty this month. So thank you very much. Then next up we have the gorgeous My High beauty box. Now if you don't know about My High, they rebranded in the middle of last year. Was it September? And before they were known as the British Beauty Box, and you would have seen quite a few videos of these that I've done as well. So this is what they are now called, My High. I absolutely love this brand, and I am lucky enough to be part of the close friends list as well, which I'm really, really glad. And I received a lovely free product from them just to say that I've joined the close friends list. And it was an inky product. Where is it? It was an inky list product, and it looks really good. I can't remember what I've done with it. Okay, so this is June's box. So I only received this yesterday, so I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, so here is the little info card. Your feel good fix is here. What are you waiting for? Dive in. A treat from you to you. Inside you'll find the latest collection of full-size beauty products from leading luxury brands, and not a sample size in sight. So this is the first product. It's going to be Don't know what's happened there. But this is a conditioner and it's from the brand Larry King, and I've actually got the shampoo which was in the last box, so I'm glad it's got the conditioner because I do like to have the matching conditioner with the shampoo. And it's a detangling AF with avocado oil, Japanese camellia oil and vitamin E, and the shampoo smells really nice. And that smells really nice. It just smells really nice and fresh. And next up we have a Emma Hardy Midas Touch Super Serum, clinically proven to increase skin hydration in only 4 weeks. Visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms, and improves luminosity. I might give this to my mum to try because she's dying to have something that tightens and firms. So I'll give her this and she can give it a try and let us know what it's about. Then next up we have another product from Amanda Harrington London, and it's Step 1 Prep Perfect Base Ultimate Gradual Tan, Age Defying, Perfecting and Tan Extending. An age defying and perfecting primer with low level tanning agents to extend the life of your tan. Well, it's no good for me if I'm not going to go on holiday and get a tan, is it? So that's what that looks like. And then the last product in here is a mascara. So usually my hive really just focuses on the skincare and hair care, but this is the first makeup product that I've seen in the box, and it says created by a TV personality, Aya Yasuda, Japan. So it's in Japanese. It's a kind of treatment essence, and it's water resistant. So that is the packaging of the mascara. I'm actually scared. The wand looks weird. Look at the shape of that wand. I've never seen anything like that. It's like 3 little bubbles. Then last but not least we have the Positive package, and the cookie seems to have gone missing. Somebody's eaten it. It wasn't me. So this is the Positive package. We know how much we love this. It's got it had a yellow biscuit in because this screen's all yellow. And inside we've got a compact mirror, going places. Let's have a look what it looks like. Dots on the one end and yellow on the other. That's really cute to have in your bag, very summery. Then next up we have sometimes you have to take a step back to see what you are moving forward. And it's one of those bracelets that you apply and then you just let it drip. You make a wish. So when you tie this around your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish. Don't be sad when it begins to fray. This means your wish is on its way. I do love these little bracelets. They are really cute. Cute little tiny knitted heart. Not sure what that's supposed to be, where it's supposed to go, but it's really cute. Then we have a My Reflection journal. Oh wow, that is something that's really cute to have. So inside is the power of reflection, progress not perfection. It says your daily intention, today's date, today's intentions are, today's manifestation is, today's gratitude is. And then it's got, today I feel stressed, tired, strong, energized, sluggish, relaxed. How many hours sleep did you have? Choose your mood for today. Water tracker, kind things I did for myself today, things that were stressful today. And then it just goes on and on and on about that. And then it's just got a little reflection of describe the last 3 months, how have you been feeling? And yeah, it's just good to just let it all out how you feel, because sometimes bottling it up really doesn't help you mentally either. I mean, we all have really bad days, don't get me wrong. I get really bad days as well. Okay, so then we have a lovely little poster that says the past is your lesson, the present is your gift, the future is your motivation. And then we've got a reflection word search there. So thank you very much to the Positive package. And that's it guys, that is all for today's subscription boxes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.